Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create this building in-place mask in Revit. Let's get started. So let's open up a new architecture template. Let's go to South Elevation. We're going to create levels first. So click level 2 and then array. Change this to 19. We're going to keep 4,000 millimeters or 4 meters. And then we have up to level 20. We need to show all the levels in floor plan. So go to view, click plan views, and then floor plan. Level 3 is selected. Go down to level 20, but before you click level 20, hold shift and then press OK. So we are at level 20. Let's go back to level 1 and then go to architecture. We're just going to add reference plane. This is just a guide. So I want this to be around 15,000 or 15 meters. And this one as well. So now let's go to massing and site, in place mass, press OK. We're going to use the line. So our first line will be 5 meters over the center line. And then we're gonna put this all the way to this end. And then let's go to level 20. Let's use this same line. This will be 5 meters over this center line. Let's look at it at 3D view. So now we can select everything and then click create form. So our model will look like this. So next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna highlight this line and use the tab in order for us to select this side only. Once this side is selected, click divide surface and we could select a pattern. We're going to use rectangle. And then let's change this to 18 for V and U grid. We have to do that on all sides. Click divide and change the U grid and V grid. So once that's done, it will look like this. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to create a frame by going to File, New, Family, and then Curtain Panel Pattern Base. Press Open. And just double checking if the grid is in rectangle. So that's good. Let's add a point element. Press Escape. Select that point element again. And then let's create a rectangle. And then create a solid form by selecting this line, chain of line first, and then holding your control and selecting the one that we created, the frame, and then create solid form. Click Family Type, click New Parameter, change the type of parameter to Material, and this will be the frame. And let's just create one for the glass. Press OK, apply OK, select all of this, and then select your material. So this will be the frame. Next, let's change this to wireframe. Go at the top, we're gonna create a rectangle. And let's create a form out of that. Let's put this down a little bit. And this will be the glass. So before we load this, we can then add the material that we want. I'm gonna put aluminum for the frame. And then for the glass, just a simple glass. Apply, and then OK, and then load it into the project. Go to 3D. So let's select one of this side, change the pattern to the family that we created. And then this side again. And lastly, this side. Use your tab. And then change this to family 2. So click Finish Mask. So once we finish mask, we need to select everything again. So select mask and then create mask floor. Select level 1 first, go down to level 20, hold shift and select level 20, and then click on this to put a check mark on the box, and then press OK. Go to massing and site, and then click on floor, highlight everything, and then click create floor. So we created the floors. Now let's create the roof. So click the roof, select this face and create roof. Click this show mass in order to hide the mass, and let's look at it at shaded view. Let's double check if we put the materials for the frame. So I'm just going to change this to a different class. So there you have it. We have our building. Thank you for watching, and I hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.